Starting around 24 walk 2024 hex is exchanging at $0.04 in term of its erst rate with a value change of on 14% in very most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Hex by and large has a very all-out market cap of $14,434,628 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $484,889 in a kind of huge manner. This makes Hex truly positioning at 221 in the digital currency market amazingly. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Hex cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Hex especially be essentially worth in 2024? Is Hex a genuinely wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2024, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Hex cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled by and large high in a for the most part significant manner? These in every practical sense are our Hex cost expectations for Hex's future, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hex value expectation 2024. As per the Hex gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the Hex value sort of is supposed to in a real sense cross a by and large normal value level of $0.33, the normal least value worth of Hex toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to essentially be $0.32, further showing how this generally makes Hex sort of positioning at 221 in the cryptographic money market, which explicitly is very huge. Besides, Hex can essentially arrive at a truly greatest value level of $more in an unobtrusive manner. Hex value gauge. Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the in every practical sense, greatest cost for Hex could stretch around $27, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Hex in Walk 2024 sort of is $24 with the kind of typical cost of $27 in an especially significant manner. Hex value estimate April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Hex really is explicitly anticipated to basically arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0.98, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.09 and a kind of least of $0.26. Hex value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Hex cost especially is estimate to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense most reduced cost of $27, which basically shows that assuming that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Hex cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Hex especially be certainly worth in 2024, or so they truly thought. The Hex cost could explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $, with the in every way that really matters normal expected cost around $weight in an unobtrusive manner. Hex value expectation June 2024. The cost for Hex in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.08 and $31, which especially is genuinely huge. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $29, or so they explicitly thought. Hex value expectation July 2024. The cost for Hex in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $29 and $32 in a kind of significant manner. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around dollars and nulls in an unpretentious manner. Hex value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the sort of most extreme cost for Hex could basically stretch around $34, exhibiting how Hex value figure April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Hex basically is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a very normal cost of $0.08, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.99 and at least $0.26 in an especially significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Hex in August 2024 fundamentally is $, with a very normal cost of $931 in an in every practical sense significant way. Hex value estimate September 2024. The fundamentally normal cost of Hex could truly go to $32 toward the finish of September 2024, which basically is very huge. Hex could explicitly be exchanging around an exceptionally most extreme worth of $935 with the base expected cost of $2 in an especially huge manner. Hex value expectation October 2024. The cost for Hex in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.31 and $37, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $32, exhibiting that Hex value expectation 2024 as per the Hex estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Hex cost truly is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $33, the normal Exceptionally least value worth of hex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to explicitly be $92. Extremely further appearance how this in a real sense makes hex certainly positioning at 221 in the digital money market, which fundamentally is very huge. Hex value figure November 2024 the normal cost of hex could fundamentally go to $93 toward the finish of November 2024 in a for the most part significant manner. Hex could in a real sense exchange around a genuinely most extreme worth of $38 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $92, which basically is genuinely huge. Hex value estimate December 2024. The hex gauge for December 2024 expects that the hex may for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $2 with a truly least cost of around $92, which certainly shows that in a real sense is hex a wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is very critical. Discussing the really normal value hex can fundamentally stretch around $93 for December, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Hex pretty past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been basically diminished by 79% in its in every practical sense current worth, which really shows that hex value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024, the extremely greatest cost for hex could sort of stretch around $27 in an exceptionally large manner. Assuming we sort of look at the genuinely current market cap of the hex with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in an essentially large manner. Hex most certainly is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in a very large manner. The hex really is down to nearly 15.3% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, showing how while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $9 in an unpretentious way. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for certainly past really couple of days. The coin could have sought areas of strength for of yet. We don't basically feel that it would a beneficial resource in truly present moment. Hex value figure 2024 facts what will generally be hex truly worth in 2024, which explicitly is very critical. The hex cost truly is estimated to explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $mifers with fundamentally least cost of $32 toward the finish of 2024 in a truly significant manner. Hexes certainly have a future in an especially significant manner. As far as cost, hex generally has an extraordinary genuinely potential to especially arrive at new levels, which especially is very critical. It for the most part is figure that hex will increment in esteem, which generally is very critical. As per in every way that really matters, explicit specialists and business examiners, hex can raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of $2 till 20